What's up? What's up? My name is Kenny Gould. I'm the founder of Hop Culture and the creative director at Untapped. And you are watching Stocked Up.
BC Brews, baby. What a time.
We'll start it off nice and light. Lil Cinder from Cinderlands Brewing right here in beautiful and sunny Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I got two more treats for you. Hop Culture Untitled Art Hurricane Seltzer coming in at a cool 9%. And of course, Bissell Brothers Oi! Nitro Pub Ale. Nothing crispier. Okay, this wasn't exactly in my fridge, but it's so good, I could not mention it. This is my well-loved bottle of Cooper's Cask, a collaboration between Old Elk Distilling and Horace Brewing out in California. Whew. I'll put some hair on your chest. We've also got Squishy, my pride and joy, my little prince, but we're not gonna drink you, are we, buddy? Mwah. No, we're not gonna drink little Squishy. Mwah. Okay, go play. They grow up so quickly. You have been watching Untapped Stocked Up. If you want to follow me, Kenny G, on Instagram, you can find me at Hop Culture Ken. You can find Hop Culture Magazine at Hop Culture Mag, or you can find Untapped at Untapped. Until next time, cheers.
How do you like your whiskey, Mr. Bond? Neat.
Cheers.